हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माइलस्टोन टॉक्स। आज हम एक नई कहानी के साथ आए हैं, पर वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले बेल आइकन पे जाके उसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो इस कहानी का नाम है द बॉय विद द गोल्डन आर्म्स। ऑन सैटरडे, विथ हिज javelin in hand, Chopra was nothing short of a rock star at the Tokyo's Olympic Stadium, which should have been full to its capacity to watch his genius unfold, but had just a handful of officials and coaches to cheer him on, thanks to the COVID 19 pandemic. He got everyone to cheer for him like he always does, and didn't even need to throw his personal best at 88.07 meters. The gold was sealed with the 87.58-meter throw, which was just his second of the final round. But many years before this moment of greatness, Chopra was under tremendous pressure from his joint family to lose weight. At 17, his father decided that he wanted something to be done about his son's weight. So Satish Kumar Chopra, after a lot of cajoling, the child finally agreed to do some running to shed the flab. His uncle took him to Shivaji Stadium in Panipat, around 15 kilometers from his village. Chopra wasn't interested in running and almost instantly fell in love with javelin throw when he saw a few seniors practicing at the stadium. He has been a consistent performer since bursting into spotlight with a historic gold in the Junior World Championship in 2016 with an under 20 world record of 86.48 meters, which still stands, by the way. His other achievements include gold medals in the 2018 Commonwealth Games and the Asian Games, besides the top finish in the 2017 Asian Championships. He is also a 2018 Arjuna awardee. In pursuit of his excellence, it was a roller coaster ride for the tall, sprightly, and humble athlete. After being pulled into the sport by senior javelin thrower Jaiveer Chaudhary from a nearby village in 2011. Chopra was game to it, and after a few months, in search of better facilities, he shifted to the Tao Devi Lal Stadium in Panchkula. By the end of 2012, he had become the under 16 national champion. At this point came the financial issues, as Chopra needed accommodation, better equipment, a kit, and better diet to go up to the next level. It was a tough decision for the joint family, which owns less than 10 acres of land, but they pulled through, and by 2015, Chopra had joined the national camp. In 2016, after Chopra set the world under 20 record of 86.48 meters at the IAAF World Under 20 Championship, he was appointed a junior commissioned officer in the Indian Army with the rank of a Nayab Subedar. Having suffered an elbow injury, Chopra underwent surgery in Mumbai on 2nd May 2019, the day after the qualifying competitions for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics had begun. He was set back without much practice for almost 16 months. But then Chopra made his debut appearance at the Olympics representing India at the 2020 Summer Olympics. On 4th August 2021, he qualified for the final in the men's javelin throw with a throw of 86.65 meters. He won the gold medal in the event on 7th August 2021 with a throw of 87.58 meters, becoming the first Indian Olympian ever to win a gold medal in the athletics and the first post-independence Indian Olympic medalist in the athletics. He also became the only second Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal after Abhinav Bindra won the gold medal in the men's 10 meters air rifle in the 2018 Summer Olympics on 11th August 2008. Chopra then went on to dedicate his win to the sprinter Milkha Singh in honor of his memory. Neeraj Chopra's awards are many, and so is the list is long. And these are the following awards that he has won through the course of the years. Gold medal at the National Junior Championship Under 16 in Lucknow 2012. Silver medal at the National Youth Championship in 2013. 3 World Junior record holding javelin throws at the 2016 IAAF World Champion. Under 20 Championship in Bydgoszcz, Poland. Silver medal in the 2016 Asian Junior Championships. Gold medal in the 2017 Asian Athletics Championship. And finally, the gold glory at the Championship of Asian Games in 2018. The young prodigy is already felicitated with the Arjuna Award in 2018. He was also nominated for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. So this is the story of India's golden boy. And we hope that his victory inspires many younger generations in India to take up the sport and do our country proud. So with this we come to an end. Hope you liked the story, and do let us know in the comment sections whether you liked it and what you would want to hear from us the next time we meet. बेल आइकन पे जाके वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले, और हाँ, डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर। मिलते हैं फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ अगली बार।